Greetings, I'm Nancy Plants, and today I'm kind of showing you a weird, disorganized food prep video. Just an FYI, I'm a healthcare worker, so I got some major stuff ahead of me. So I went to the store and I got 2 big bundles of kale, and I washed it and got that ready. I'm just grabbing some stuff that I already have and making some dressings. I got a whole bunch of bananas because those are easy to grab and eat. I am going to be working a lot. If you don't have to work, don't go to work. If you're sick, don't go to work. Seriously, this is a big deal. But I got all kinds of frozen vegetables for if I can't get to the store. I'm thinking in terms of just being really busy with work. So I ate some salad. So I made like this kale salad and saving all my little bits for making broth. This is just one day of food prep. I've been cooking kind of like a mad woman for a few days. I made this beans and rice or lentils and rice thing, and I made some muffins, and that's just kind of a little piece. So yeah. I am a healthcare worker. I work in recreation therapy and I work in a nursing home. So I may or may not be very busy over the next few weeks. Right now, I'm working normally, and we're taking a lot of extra measures to make sure that our residents are safe. And a lot of schools are closing, which is a really good thing. But I know it's hard for a lot of people, so just take this as an opportunity to help each other out. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if this is my last video for a little while, just know that I'm in there helping out. And if for some reason I'm not working, if I get sick or something like that, I will keep you updated. But this isn't a reason to panic. It's just a reason to be a little more aware of what we're doing and where we're going, and just scaling back and laying low. That's really important, and washing your hands and not hoarding things. And make sure that you're checking in with your loved ones over the phone. We are really lucky to live in this age where we can interact on the internet. So thank you all so much for watching, and sorry this is like a weird video, but I'm just, I'm not myself.